Welcome to Blue Summarize. Top of the morning, top of the morning. So this is a new episode, first episode of January 28. So January 28 will be where I show my trades that I took on a weekly, on weekly days and everything. So let's just go through it a little bit faster. So September 1, this is the first week of September. So let's see the first trade this week, September 01. So the first trade was a Nasdaq sale. So let's get to it. As you see, it was a KML sell, of course. My strategy that I used, and I was risking something like 1.64 to make 4K. Okay, let's just see. So you should have everything on peg. I have my general things on set, and I got in 9 a.m. and I went out 5 a.m. the next day. Yeah, so let's go to the analysis and see. Let's go to analysis and see. It's a Nasdaq trade. Was the first trade of the week. Let's wait for it to load. Oh, it pushed up. Okay, we can still go back to the channel. So that was my first trade. What happened? I got in that camel, but I went out fast. The first trade I went out fast, as you can see in the accounts that I'm managing. In the history, I went out faster. Yeah, the first trades, I went out faster with these profits, and I had EuroCAD, which is the second trade. Where's EuroCAD? That was a very nice setup. Here's the EuroCAD setup. Here's the EuroCAD setup. It was a very nice setup. Took the sale on EuroCAD, and that's how it went, as you see in the accounts that I'm managing, the history. And then we took the GBP USD. This is one of the biggest losses that I've experienced. It's like 8K loss, and I was kind of happy for this loss, because as you see, I was able to recover with the current setup, which is Nasdaq. Went a little bit heavy, but I was up checking to see that I don't make a loss, a bigger loss, because this trade's EuroCAD was still in. It's big. I won't repeat the same lot size again on Nasdaq, but I learned that okay, I shouldn't take in another trade if one trade hasn't given me results yet, per se. With me, I should focus on a trade after it gives me results, per se. If it's going to my TP or it's going to my stop loss, and I confirmed and I decided to close, or I accepted the risk, that's when I can focus on the next trade. Because sometimes I don't put my stop loss, but I take the trade out manually, because I'm practicing that. I'm able to do it. Before I was not able to do it. I would hope trade, but now I don't hope trade. If I see the trade is not working, I'm out. So the EuroCAD was the second trade, and GBP USD, the one that tricked me. So here I saw an inverse head and shoulder here on the GBP USD. That's why I bought it. Immediately after buying, it went down. immediately after buying, it went down. So here was my Nasdaq sell. Here was my Nasdaq sell. As you see, it went straight to TP. The sell was here. The first trades I got out here, and then I re-entered there on the push to recover. I re-entered somewhere here to recover and hit TP. As you see, my strategy entry at the top here, I was gonna go out if it went there. So yes, so that's it for this trade. You can even see on the bigger time frame, this is how I saw it. I saw that, okay, we have a QMO level down here, so definitely I saw this liquidity, and I saw a QTMR here near the current level it's at. Here I saw it break and change character. Here I saw this QML failed because it broke to the downside, and then what happened, it created a QML here, then I sold it. From the top it has been going down, so there's been a downtrend. It broke this QML level to the downside, like here with the wick. It passed the head, then it created a QML, then I sold it. Okay, so that's it. So let's see the big loss, the GBP USD loss. That was a sniper loss. It was a sniper loss. Let me see. It was a really sniper loss, and immediately after I bought, it went down. I think I bought there, right here. Immediately after I bought, it went down. I remember it was 9 a.m. Immediately after I buy, it went down. So this trade, I was not supposed to take this trade, because last week when I was analyzing, I saw a bigger QML. I saw a bigger QML from the top. I saw a bigger QML from the top. So on the weekly, yeah, from the top, which is on the weekly. So on the daily, there was a small confirmation, market structure and change of character, showing that no, this is a selling momentum. I shouldn't be buying that. So that's what I learned, and it showed me that I shouldn't jump into other setups while I'm still focusing on one setup, because that's when I don't see those minor mistakes. As you see here, that's the setup that I'm talking about. It shows that the market structure just changed here on the screenshot that you see. So those are the things that I'm not careful of before I trade, and I was talking to my trading partner to say that we should really be aware of the market structure. So this is it. The camel zone is here from the weekly, and it has a MPL there. And then what happened, if you zoom in here, you'll see that it created another QML here. First shoulder and head and change of character, and it going down. So I bought here, buying it was a bad buy. I wasn't supposed to take the trade. Lesson learned, but you learn with losing here. It was a very, very bad trade. As you see, what I was talking about, just that our head is here, and change of character is here. So this was it for Tuesday, and let's see how the week will go. I have the current trade that is in right now, and let's see how January 28 goes. So I was not supposed to buy here, which is I bought here, saying here it's liquidity and it's going to go up there to grab maybe a QML, and the QML has already been taken here to the downside and changed character, and here balanced. So what I said, I shouldn't buy here. I should wait for the market to sell, to give me sales. Even if it's buying, I should wait for it to give me sales. Yes, so that's it for today, January 28. See you in the next episode.